Hello learners, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we will going to learn some more things with relational operator. So in the previous video we have seen what is the relational operator and what are the logical operators. So if you have not watched that video, please go to my playlist Python and Python programming, that playlist, and search there for the relational operator and logical operator and just watch it. Okay, so we have already seen in the previous class or the previous session, whatever we called it, that relational operators will take two operands and it will give the relation between those two operands in terms of a boolean value. Either it will be true or it will be false. Now suppose there are two characters. We will see if I give two numbers over here for checking purpose. So what it will return? 5 less 9. It will return true. So if I change this 5 greater 9, it will return false. Now instead of 5 and 9, if I give two character values, that is A and suppose I have given here A. So capital A and small a. So in normal way, if I told you this is in lowercase and one is in uppercase, so it might seems like uppercase will be greater and lowercase will be lesser, but it will not like that. Let's run this code and see. It is true actually. Okay, so it is true means the lowercase of a is having greater value than the uppercase. So why it is so actually, if I will want to see the int value of a, and the same thing I will do with the capital A. And run this code. Okay, uh, let me choose. Okay, so actually this ORD function will return the value of A and capital A and small a, and this value is called ASCII value. This is called ASCII value or Unicode or ASCII value. Okay, ASCII. It will be ASCII. So this Unicode or ASCII value of lowercase a is 97 and uppercase a is 65. So that's why actually the lowercase a is greater than uppercase a, right? So if I try to write something like this, print, suppose and the same thing I will write here. Just let me write the same thing, but here I will change the value of G. This will be in lowercase. All will be in lowercase. Okay. So it doesn't matter that how long the string is. See, God and God, house and God. These two are the strings. Okay. We write the strings like this with the double quotes in Python. So it doesn't matter how long is the string. It will actually return true and false in terms of the ASCII value of the total string. That means the ASCII value of G plus ASCII value of O and ASCII value of D. It will return this total value. Either it will be true or it will be false. Okay. So just look at this code. You will get understand how it is working actually. Okay. So this is all about the relational operators. Okay. I hope you have understood this small concept of relational operators along with the string values. In the previous video we have seen with the integer values or the numerical values. Now along with the string also we can use this relational operator, and the comparison will work on the ASCII value. Okay. So let's end up the session over here. Again, we will meet up in the next class, in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and bye bye.